Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm uploaded a new video, and this video will show you the recruitment in SBI bank. So SBI recruitment apply for specialist cadre officers. Post check sbi.go.in for all details. The SBI Bank of India has invited applications for recruitment as specialist cadre officers. Interested candidates can log on onto official websites sbi.go.in and apply anytime till September 2. The bank has invited application for 69 posts of special cadre officers as per the job notification. The vacancies are available for posts such as assistant manager for marketing and communication, deputy manager, relationship managers, product managers, and circle defense banking advisor. SBI SO recruitment 2021. Here has to apply. Number 1 point, visit official sites sbi.co.in careers. Click on the notification that reads about recruitment of special cadre officers or the post of which for which you want to apply. Third point, alternatively, candidate may click on the direct link given here for various posts. Online link to apply for assistant manager post, link to apply for assistant manager, marketing and communication manager, relationship managers, product manager, and apply here for circle defense banking advisors. A new windows will open. Registration a new ID by entering your mobile number and email ID. Log in using the credentials and fill up the application form. Upload all the documents and pay fee amount mentioned. Click on submit. Your SBI SO recruitment 2021 form has been submitted. 10 points, save a copy for future references. Now SBI SO recruitment 2020 details of post for recruitment. Assistant manager engineer civil 36, assistant manager engineer electrical 10, deputy manager agriculture specialist 10, relationship manager OMP 6 post, product manager OMP 2 post, assistant manager marketing and communication 4 post, and circle defense banking advisor 1 post. Also read SBI SO recruitment qualification and eligibility career. Assistant managers engineer civil candidates needs to have bachelor degree in a civil engineer with 60% or above marks. Second point, assistant manager in engineer electrical candidate need to have bachelor degree in electrical engineer with 60% or above marks. Assistant managers marketing and communications candidate need to have full-time MBA marketing, full-time PGDM or its equivalent with specializations with marketing from institutions recognized by or approved by government. Deputy managers agriculture specialist candidates should have MBA PGDM in rural management or MBA PGDM in agriculture business. So postgraduate diploma in rural management, postgraduate in agriculture as a full-time course from recognized university. Relationship managers OMP candidates need to have BE or BTech along with MBA PGDM or equivalent degree as full-time course with specializations in marketing, minimum 5 years of total experience as on 1st of 7 2021. Product manager OMP candidates should have BE BTech in computer science, IT, electronic and communication along with MBA PGDM or equivalent degree as a full-time course. The institute should be recognized approved by government body. AICTE certification will add value. Certified Scrum product owner CSPO, product managers, product owner, minimum 5 years of total experience as on 1st of 7 2021. Circle defense banking advisors. The applications must be a retired major, general or brigadier from Indian Army or from comparable marks ranks from Indian Navy or Air Force. Now SBI SO recruitment 2021 age criteria. Assistant manager 30 years, deputy manager relationship manager OMP product manager 25 to 35 years, circle defense banking advisor 60 years. SBI SO recruitment 2020 selection procedures for assistant manager post. Selections of candidate will be on the basis of online written test and interview. Marketing and communication for assistant managers post and circle defense banking advisor. The selection will be based on the shortlisting and interview. Deputy managers, relationship managers, OMP product managers post. The selection will be based on the shortlisting and interview. So this is the criteria for applying SBI post for cadre officers, assistant managers and product managers, and circle defense banking advisors. The education qualifications criteria, age criteria, and experience criteria must be mentioned in this video in the form. So please click on the link for official websites on careersbi.co.in. Go to the link and go to registration form. After applying registration form, apply for the post after paying application fee for entrance test. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Thank you for